with Jen. Have you ever thought of what you should do when your bananas turn brown? Don't throw them away. Turn them into banana bread. Today we're going to learn how to make a delicious banana bread. First, the number one thing we have to do is wash our hands. Next, we are going to go see what ingredients we will need. First, we need brown bananas. We need a half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. If you don't know what baking powder is, this is what the can looks like. First step is to mix your butter with your sugar. Remember to make sure your butter is softened. Mix all the rest of our remaining ingredients. Get your bananas, like I did. At this point, we have to preheat our oven to 350. And then we're gonna spray our pan or muffin tin slightly with pan. If you like nuts in your banana bread, this is the time to add them in. After you put it in there, please wipe up the best you can, like me. After the oven is preheated, you have to pop it in there for about 45 to 50 minutes. I had a little extra, so I decided to make a couple muffins. Now that our oven's it's preheated now, I'm going to pop these into the oven for about 45 minutes. For my muffins, I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes first, and then I'll reset it for my banana bread. That's it. That's how you make banana bread. Now we have to wait for this stuff to come out. My timer just went off for 15 minutes, so now I'm going to take the muffins out and set the timer again for 30 minutes for the banana bread. Our banana bread is a beautiful brown because I've cooked it for 45 minutes. Now I'm going to take it out and let it sit for at least 10 minutes until I take a bite. After you've let it cool for about 10 minutes or more, then you close it and enjoy. Thanks for joining me, home cookers. Now it's your turn to go make a mess in your kitchen.